So, what's the best cardio for weight loss? Well, here are 7 exciting cardio workouts that will help lose weight without losing interest. Jump rope workout. Jump rope training helps burn a crap ton of calories. It involves both your brain power for coordination so you don't trip over and fall, and muscles, thus improving your balance, strength, power output, agility, and endurance. According to LifeSum, jumping rope at an average pace for 30 minutes can help burn more than 400 calories. Running stairs. Running up the stairs can help you burn more calories than you imagined. For a person weighing 140 pounds, 1 minute of running stairs burns about 15 calories per minute. At that rate, you can trust that this person will burn off 1 pound in just 4 hours. Besides running, this exercise offers a muscle-building advantage as every step needs you to lift your entire body upwards, thereby engaging your gluteal and hamstring muscles. Rowing. A killer cardio exercise, rowing makes your heart rate increase and engages every muscle in your body. One advantage of rowing is that it enables you to burn up to 400 calories in just 3 minutes. According to Health Status, a person weighing 200 pounds can readily burn 792 calories within 60 minutes of rowing machine workout at an intense pace. Battle rope exercises. This exercise is notorious for its insane caloric expenditure. Men tend to burn about 80 calories within 5 minutes, and female participants can burn 45 calories in just 4 minutes. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research reported that a mere 10-minute battle rope workout increased the heart rate to peak levels. As such, this is classified to be a high-intensity exercise. Walking. Yes, walking. Being one of the simplest exercises, you can consider yourself to be working out by just heading out for a slow evening stroll. A mere brisk walk of about 30 to 90 minutes daily, or choosing different walking days as long as you total at least 150 minutes a week is all you need. Walking at a normal pace, you readily burn 100 to 300 calories in just 30 minutes. Burpee. Burpee is a conditioning exercise in which a person squats and places the palm of the hands on the floor in front of the feet and then jumps back in a push-up position. This exercise leaves your heart pumping hard and your body exhausted. Research shows that high-intensity exercises such as burpees usually burn up to 50% more fat than moderate exercising. Cycling. Cycling is an excellent way to exercise your muscles. It boosts your heart's health and strengthens your leg muscles. An average person can burn between 40 to 750 calories per hour cycling. The number of calories will, however, depend on your weight, speed, and time spent riding the bike. Being a fun activity, try outdoor cycling with your friends and enjoy a reduction of excess body fat. And if you're seriously looking for a fast and natural weight loss solution, then I recommend you to check the link in the description, healthfitnessplanet.com/weightloss. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.